Introduction to Home Furnishing Vocabulary. Home furnishing is an essential topic because it describes the way people transform a simple house or apartment into a real home. When we talk about furnishing, we usually think of the big invisible objects such as a sofa, a bed, a dining table, chairs, wardrobes, and shelves, but the truth is that home furnishing goes far beyond that. It includes the details that give personality and identity to a space: curtains, carpets, rugs, lamps, cushions, mirrors, and decorative items. Without them, a house would feel empty or unfinished. For example, imagine walking into a living room with just a sofa and a table. Now, picture the same room with colorful cushions, warm curtains, and a stylish lamp. The second one feels much more inviting. In English, it is not enough to know the words for furniture. We also need to know how to talk about them in real situations, especially when we are buying, comparing, or recommending items. For instance, in many English-speaking countries, it is common to rent an apartment that comes without furniture. This means that people often need to go shopping and make decisions like, should I buy a wooden bed or a metal one? Or, which curtains look better, the dark ones or the light ones? These situations require a combination of vocabulary and grammar tools like pronouns to avoid repeating the same nouns again and again. Consider a short example: I need to buy a new sofa. A friend replies, I know a shop where you can find a cheap one. The word one here replaces the word sofa, which prevents unnecessary repetition. Another case: these curtains are too heavy. Let's buy lighter ones. Again, ones replaces the noun curtains. These little words may seem small, but they are very powerful in daily English conversations. To conclude this introduction, mastering home furnishing vocabulary plus the correct use of pronouns one and ones is important because it reflects real communication. People rarely repeat the same words several times in natural speech. Instead, they use these pronouns to speak clearly, politely, and fluently. By learning them together, students not only expand their vocabulary but also develop confidence to describe their homes, make choices in stores, and even give advice about decoration.